In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix temporarily banned on WhatsApp. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if due to some reasons your WhatsApp account has been temporarily banned and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar you need to type whatsapp.com. Click on search. Once you have reached this website, all you have to do is to scroll down and click on this contact us option. Once again, click on contact us. Now scroll down. Okay, so in order to recover your temporarily banned WhatsApp account, what you need to do is to fill out this form. So first enter your country code, then enter the mobile number that was linked with your banned WhatsApp account. Once you have entered the mobile number, scroll down and enter a new email address. This email address is very important because it will be used by Team WhatsApp to contact you. Confirm your email address once again. Then select the device on which you are using WhatsApp. I am using on Android, so I'll select Android. Scroll down. And now in this box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details how your account was temporarily banned. Once you have done that, click on next step. And after you click on next step, within the next 24 hours, your temporarily banned WhatsApp account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.